All right, ladies and gents. So, in an activity, I'm going to have you kind of brainstorm as we talk about human impact and negative things we kind of do to our ecosystem. Remember, human impact are actions like polluting, clearing large plots of land, maybe to build neighborhoods, plant crops, over fertilizing our lawns, burning fossil fuels. They all negatively affect the survival of those lovely organisms in our ecosystem. We as humans can make choices to reduce this negative impact on our beautiful environment. So you will be asked right now to make observations, okay, and infer, okay, meaning you're taking that observation and drawing a conclusion on a cause and effect relationship. So you're going to be asked, what's going on in these pictures? What human negatively impacted the ecosystem, and how is that affecting, or what is the result of that negative impact that the human did? Maybe how did it affect the soil? How did it affect the animals or the plants or that body of water? So the cause should be, what did the human do that was a no-no, bad? And then what is the effect and how it involved those poor organisms? So we have a picture, lots of smoke going on there, pollution. We've got a wildfire. Okay, so that's a large wildfire. Happens a lot out in California and our western states. Then the third picture, huge factory with lots of pollution. Then we have our fourth picture, beautiful bird here, but look what's in his beak or her beak. Plastic. Ooh, what did that human do that impacted? What's the effect that might happen to the bird? Then we have picture 5 here. Looks like very brown, polluted, dirty water. Picture 6 is fog, lots of fog. Or if it's really bad, smog. Last picture is erosion, meaning the wearing away of the land. Okay. So then what I want you to do is infer, meaning I know you're not there. Okay, these are pictures, but if you were actually there, what do you think caused that to happen? And what is the effect? So you're going to choose one image from those 7 and write a paragraph. What do you think a human was doing? And what is that effect of that animal or plant, soil? And it could be a couple. Lots of times, these human impacts that we do negatively have a couple negative impacts on our ecosystem. And write a couple sentences or a nice flowing paragraph, and then we'll discuss it. And then shortly, you'll be defining a couple vocabulary words, all human impact related: renewable resources, non renewable resources. What is the true definition of pollution? Conservation. We read about this in our science book. Species. Okay, so there's 5 terms that you'll define and insert a picture. There's a couple closing videos, all that kind of make us think, all right, it's in our own hands of what we can do to positively impact our ecosystem instead of all of these negative impacts happening. So have a good day, and it's almost summertime. Keep up the good work.